Cuban assassin, baby. The near, the beer. Hell, AJ. Come on, AJ. You know what's going down. Take a look, AJ. Take a look at him. You know what's going on. Big J, you know what's up, Big J. Jay Santos, best cut man in the business. I'm not saying this because of my son. He's proven it. Big time fights. Hire the best. I got my mint man right here. I don't know. Some people call him mint clappers. I don't know. Let's go, baby. The beer, baby. Let's go, baby. Mexican assassin. The baby face assassin right here. The baby